Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. I feel like this is my first vlog this year. Today is January 29. It's 11:50 a.m. And nandito tayo sa shoot with Hiraya. Ayan, ang first work natin of the month. At first vlog, sinabay talaga eh. Anyway, ang gumawa ng makeup ko si Miss...
Shine from SPO Makeup Artistry. Hello guys.
Yung hair ko.
Angie Polo po.
Ayan, so mag-shoot lang kami guys. And ang vlog na to is Week in My Life. Alam niyo na yan, nakalagay sa title. So, yeah, montage na lang kasi work muna.
Say hi to my vlog. Hi, vlog! Nanonood lang ako dati ng vlogs ni Danica. Oh my God. So grateful to be here. She's the most beautiful. She's more beautiful in person.
Thank you, Miss Cleo.
Kayo lang! Cleo!
Hi guys! Today is a Saturday. It's January 31. It's already 2:06 p.m. and I'm starting the vlog late today kasi gusto ko kasi mag-rest today. I was supposed to go to an event pero na-cancel siya. So, ang gagawin ko na lang today is mag-grocery ako today and then gusto ko mag-film ng onion boil na mukbang. Kasi ang dami sa inyong nag-a-ask nung part 2 ko sa TikTok. So, eto na. Gagawin ko siya ulit. Kasi, yun yung una kong ginawa, medyo nasunog ko siya. Kaya hindi ko siya pinost. Pero masarap siya. So, ulitin ko na lang para mas maganda sa video. I'm gonna go with my sister sa grocery kasi nag-aaya din siya na magluto kami. So, let's go. Yun lang naman ang plan ko today kasi nga. I've been playing pickleball kasi for like 1 week straight na ata. Yeah, addict na ako mag-pickleball guys. Kaya, mag-rest na muna tayo today kasi nafe-feel ko na yung sakit sa katawan ko. Tara na. Okay, let's look for a big onion. Alam niyo ba, yung fixation ko recently is mayak eggs. Pero yung sister ko yung gumagawa. So, hindi ko pa siya natatry na gawin. Like yung recipe niya. Pero sobrang sarap. Tapos egg lang siya. So, perfect siya kung like diet ka. Ayan, bumili na siya ng eggs niya. Okay, we're gonna cook vodka pasta today. Kailangan ko ng tomato paste. I feel like ang dami ko ng videos na nagluluto ako ng vodka pasta. But for some reason, kinikrave ko rin siya today. Kaya yun yung lulutuin namin today. Actually, yung sister ko yung nag-aya na magluto kami ng vodka pasta. Ito pala, tomato paste. May pinakamaliit lang po. Kahit ano. Ay, hindi gagamitin ko lang po pang luto. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna make the onion boil first. Kasi ang dami nagre-request na imukbang pa daw. Eh, nasunog ko yung una. Nasunog yung seasonings niya, hindi yung onion mismo. Kulang nga sa lasa eh. Ang dami nagsasabi na baka daw maalat. I'm done with the onion boil. Tatry ko to i-bake ng 30 or 60 minutes lang. And then now I'm gonna do the vodka pasta.
esquina e um banguelo sorrindo de alegria. Doce Bahia, no alto da...
Sarap. Here's the vodka pasta. Let's eat. Na-overcook ko lang yung pasta ng konti, pero masarap siya. Okay, hi!
Hi!
Show them your new earrings. Is it nice? Do you like it?
No.
Then why are you showing it off?
You told me to.
It is now 6:42 p.m. and let's unbox this big package. Ito yung in-order kong mirror for my vanity. I ordered this online lang. Okay, this is the mirror that I ordered. Ang laki niya pala in person. So, I got the chargeable one. So, kanina nag-open. Ayan. Ayan yung ilaw niya. Oh my God, ang ganda. Tatlo din yung ilaw nito. So, ayan. And na-adjust din siya. I'll have this link below if you guys want it. And ito rin yung isa pang mirror ko na nabili. I feel like I'm still gonna keep this here kasi portable siya. And minsan, pag like, kailangan ko mag-makeup sa eyes, pag like, nag-eyeliner ako or naglalagay ng contacts or eyelashes, nilalapit ko talaga yung mirror. So, parang perfect to for that. So, I'm gonna keep this here. But this is really nice. I think I got this for around 8,000 lang. Pero ang ganda niya. So, ayan yung ilaw niya. O, diba? It's so nice. Dapat kasi magpapa-custom talaga ako ng mirror. Pero buti na lang, nakita ko to online. So, ayan. Medyo matagal nga lang yung delivery niya kasi overseas pa. But I feel like for 8,000, it's so worth it, guys. This is my little vanity area. Ayan. Chargeable siya. So, sasaksak ko lang siya dito. But yeah, I'm so happy. Ang tagal ko na tong hinihintay. And finally, ito na siya. Alam ko sabi nila malas daw pag kita yung bed. But, whatever. Okay, yun lang. Hi guys, good morning. It's 11:29 a.m. and today is a Sunday, so I'm gonna go to church today. So, ayan, late na ako for church kasi it starts at 11, pero kasi I had to film pa. Ang plan today is go to church, then go to BGC for my dental appointment, and then buy Hope and Bea gifts, and then visit Bea and Hope. So yeah, this is the first time I'm gonna meet Hope, so I'm really excited and I want to bring you guys along with me. So let's go.
Sometimes you wonder how come some of these people are so happy? Maybe the ushers, the volunteers, the music people, leaders here in front. Why are they so happy and why are they so in love with God? Oh, these wonders are signs. That means these aren't just something to point to victory, alabang, or to pastor this or that. No, they're signs that point only to Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you have to put it talagang malapit. Guys, we're here at Tanglad and we ordered sinigang na baboy, calamares, and sisig. So, kakain muna ako bago ako mag-dentist kasi wala pa akong kinakain today. Parang nakita ko lang to once sa TikTok. Oo.
So wala kang kakilala na pumunta?
Wala. Tapos gusto ko lang ng Filipino food. This is tanglad.
Tanglad.
Ito. Tanglad to. Guys, I'm here sa Zara. Tapos nakita ko to for Hope. Sobrang cute. Pero siya daw bibili, oh. Gift daw niya. Ang cute, oh. Tapos magugustuhan ni Bea kasi pink lahat. I'm just gonna look for, like, a big coat for Japan. Gusto ko ng mahabang coat, eh. Like, gusto ko ng dark na mahaba hanggang dito. Ganda ng color. Should I get this color or a black one? Is it too big or it's fine? Kasi gusto ko ng super long. Okay, let's go to the mother care store. Meron po kayong mga swaddle?
Yes po, ma'am. Then, meron din po yung Love to Dream po. Then, ganito siya, ma'am. Yung isa naman is zipper lang po. Ito is para may cover siya. Then, ito is zipper po. Then, kung gusto nyo naman, ito siya, ma'am. Pang girl. Girl po. Diba?
Ang cute naman nito. Ay, ito naman.
Ito siya, ma'am. Yung sa mga pag binabalo si baby.
Ito, ano to?
Yan din, ma'am. Same
Ito na
lang
lang.
sila, ma'am. Pero, 4 pieces po siya.
Ang cute nito kasi ganito yung tattoo ni Bea. Yung may bow. Tapos ganito daw siya. May bonnet, tapos may ganyan. So cute. Jelly cat. Jelly cat. Pwede rin.
Malaki na yun, ma'am. Pambigo. Toys.
Sige, ito na lang. Parang cute to eh. Guys, andito na kami sa kode ni Bea. Kinakabahan ako. Ba't ako kinakabahan? Ba't ba ako kinakabahan? Baby lang naman yun.
Hey! She's in the room kasi, so how are we
Is
gonna
this
do
your
it?
new house?
Ano ba, magiging yaya ka ba? Magiging yaya ka ba
Hindi,
nito?
casual lang na buwisita. Ito naman.
Guys, this is Baby Hope. And I'm gonna get Danica's reaction kasi. Ito din isa sa mga tatay niya. Oh, go na! Yes! Hello po. Oh. She was with me kasi sa NYC. Hello, umiiyak nga siya. Oh. Ayan na siya, alagaan mo na. Take care of her now. Why am I crying? Love you, Daddy ko. Really? Cute niya. She's been waiting for you. She's a natural. I think you should be next. Sending you baby dust.
Cutie, parang wala. Ako na lang. Kasi cute siya.
It's okay. I won't be mad.
Oh my God! Dali ka sa kuripot mong yan. Totoo ba to? Is this true?
For you.
Danica asked what I need for Hope. Sabi ko swaddle. Hindi na ako nahiya kasi kailangan niya talaga ng swaddle kasi isa lang yung kumasya sa kanya. Which one first? Which one should I open first? Oh, thank you. What the hell? Oh. Hello!
Ang cute, no?
Cute ka.
Buksan mo nga kung kasha.
Hindi pa ito pa. Ang liit. She's so small. Ay, hindi talaga kasha.
Ang cute, no?
Oh my
Puro
God.
pink.
Cute. Oh my my goodness. Ay, may ganito na siya.
Totoo ba? Ganyan na ganyan?
Ganito na ganito.
Akala
Ay, hindi.
papapalitan ko.
Pero hindi ganitong size.
Is it the same size?
I don't think so. I think this is small.
Yung 3 to 6. Ito 0, 1, 2, 3.
So
Danica, you're so bagay maging girl, mom. I swear.
Gusto ko boy.
I feel like girl. Oh!
Cute na. Tapos, as in, nung una kayo nakita, sabi ko, hala, ito na talaga bibiling ko kasi ganyan yung tattoo niya. It's your tattoo, girl.
I know!
Tapos may kasama pa siyang hello sticker. I don't know if it's a sticker or... That's a sword.
Unboxing gifts for Hopi. Oh, this is so cute.
That's all swadas.
Kaya nga.
4 pieces. You have 5 and you have 6 na from us.
Oh, yay. Matutuwa na yung midwife ni Hopi.
Hugas mo muna.
Yeah.
Oh, tapos buksan mo na yung malaki, sis.
Maligtad.
Ay, tingnan mo muna yung yung letter ko.
Oh,
Card.
congrats, babe. Oh.
Lahat naman, no?
Oh, you know what? Sakto, I wanted to buy this.
Really?
I swear, yeah.
Yan mismo?
This is in my Amazon cart. I swear.
Eto mismo, itong brand na to.
Ay, hindi. Pero it's like this. Pakita ko sa'yo.
Wala ka pang ganyan.
Meron siyang mga activity gym, pero I wanted this. But it's so mahal. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Pwede na nila. Ala! Yeah, I wanted this. Actually, pinapabili ko sa Light. Ang ginawa niya, sinendan niya ako ng pera. Oo. Very tatay talaga. Nag-send siya. Sabi ko, bilang mo nga na ito si Hope.
Buti na lang, binili ka yan.
Oo. Yeah.
Pinag-isipan ko po, sabi ko, feeling ko may ganito na siya.
Kaya mga ito din binibili kasi mahal.
Oh,
Kuya,
no.
mas maganda pa nga yung, mas maganda pa nga ito kaysa sa Amazon.
Nung pinakita sa akin ni ate, sabi ko, ay, parang magandang gift yan.
Paano ba ito? Do I lift your head?
Yeah, a little. I-lift mo onti.
Dumilat siya. Ano mo na? Wipe mo pababa. Oh, naman. Here.
Good morning, guys. It's 9:39 a.m. and I'm on my way sa office. Okay, mag-life update muna tayo kasi nga ang tagal kong hindi na nakakapag-week in my life dito sa YouTube. I'm still in college, pero I'm currently enrolled as a working student. So, I have office hours every day from Monday to Friday. Basically, I'm helping out sa family business namin. So, yung office na pinapasukan ko is sa business ng dad ko. And tapos yung classes ko for this semester is only 3 subjects. So, every Thursday lang yon. Yeah, I don't have to go to school kasi nga I'm enrolled as a working student, which is easier for me. And I can do kasi a lot of things rin. Oh my god, yung face ko, it's so puffy. Sometimes talaga, hindi na ako nag-ready. Like, may makeup or anything when I go to the office. So, I'm driving lang today kasi kailangan ni mommy ng car. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog inside the office kasi it might be boring to you guys. But later, I feel like I'm gonna play pickleball later. I'm gonna do an open play. Kahapon, nag-pickleball din kami. Nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. Hindi pa rin nasisira yung streak ko na everyday ako nag-pickleball since last week. Sobrang na-addict na. Anyway, malapit na ako sa office, so I'll just talk to you guys later. It is now 1:47 p.m. Kakauwi ko lang from the office. Maaga lang kami natapos today, kaya umuwi na muna ako because I have other things to do. Right now, I'm writing my plans sa planner ko. So, ayun. I'm just organizing my life right now. It is now 5:01 p.m. Magpipickleball ako with friends at 6. But before that, pupunta muna ako sa Molito. Kakain muna kami. Yung pickleball kasi namin 6 to 10. We're gonna do an open play today. I changed na into my outfit. Kanina, I've just been doing some projects and nag-rest lang rin ako. I was waiting for the time kasi nga 6 yung reservation namin for open play. 6 yung start ng open play namin. So now, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm just gonna get my stuff and then go to Melito. We are at Quantum. It's already 6:15 and we're gonna start our open play.
2-1-1. Four, 1-1.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Feb 4 and it's currently 11:40 a.m. I'm getting ready lang kasi I have a meeting with TikTok sa BGC at 3 and I don't wanna be late for that meeting kasi it's very important to me. I'm working on a project kasi that I can't tell you guys yet but I'm really excited. Ayun, I'm gonna be with my sister today. Siguro alis kami mga 1 dito para di kami malate. Sa BGC, pero we're gonna eat lunch first kasi wala pa akong kinakain. So, andito kami ngayon sa Tang. Super sarap kasi ng Galbi Tang here. So, yeah!
Pwede ka mag-hi sa...
I'm with Ken!
And also Aaron is over there. They're helping me for something exciting.
We just finished our meeting. It's now 4:55 p.m. And we're going to SM Aura na kasi gusto ng sister ko mag-brush ka and parang gusto ko rin mag-check ng pants there. Yun ang yung gagawin namin and then babalik na kami sa Alabang. And then, I might play pickleball. Guys, hindi na kami mag-brush ka. Mag-early dinner na lang kami dito sa Steak and Fries.
Diba ito yung matagal ko nang hinahype sa'yo?
Thank you.